Hey guys, welcome back to another weekend.
Hey, what's up everyone?
Alright, so this weekend, remember when I said we needed to figure something out about desert season? Because Casey and I obviously are probably going to be at camp most of the time. We are fixing this girl up because she fits right in the front of the trailer and then the Can-Am fits right there. So what we're doing this weekend, or what Kevin's doing this weekend, is we're going to give this girl a lift. So what did we get?
So we got a 6-inch lift.
Oh, here we go. Let's see. What's all this stuff?
So basically it's just the 6-inch HD arm suspension with T-shocks.
Alright, so we're getting her some shocks, a lift.
And then I went for the rear leaf springs.
Some bushings.
Yeah, I got new bushings for it.
And then, we also got some new tires, a lot bigger too.
Yeah, I kept the wheels because I didn't want to spend like $400.
Yeah, we're not gonna. I don't care about the wheels. It's gonna go in the desert. It's gonna go in the desert.
Anyways.
Got her some.
And then we got some 23s for it.
Nice.
So.
Yeah, so she should be. The golf cart will fit here. Sorry, it's kind of a mess in here because you know we're kind of limited on space. We had to park the magnitude out there, and construction's almost done. Should be wrapped up soon. Then we can start parking the trailer back more and the RV in the front. So lots of stuff going on. But yeah, so Kevin's gonna be working on this weekend, and then that's it, right? That's all we got going on.
Yeah, that's it. So after this, I'm gonna call my brother. He has a tire machine. Because
we left everything in Havasu.
So we're gonna just take it to his shop and then let mount the tires. But I think I'm gonna just put up a time lapse. Or
like
whatever. Simple.
I think a time lapse, and then once you're done with the section, we'll do a live recording and be like, hey, this is what you've got done so far. We'll do some updates instead of you hammering or wrenching at it for an hour, and then I have to edit 3 hours of footage.
Yeah, let's try and make it quick and simple.
Yeah, we'll get this recording down so we can start doing some more videos and whatnot. Because we actually got a trip coming up, our first
in a few days.
Yeah, first desert trip of the season. So yeah, Kevin's gonna get started on that. Casey's gonna go down for her nap, and I'm gonna get some stuff done around the house. And let's go, guys.
Thanks for joining.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Alright, so according to the last time lapse, I had the rear suspension in, got the tires mounted, and then end up ordering some rear shocks. So the front looks great, ride's good. It feels really good with these bigger tires on here compared to the low profiles, which I was not a fan of at all. So I'm gonna just go ahead and install these shocks, and then maybe we could take it for a ride, but it is just finished raining, so we'll see. I'm gonna put you guys on the time lapse and finish this off.
So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Alright, the golf cart's done, guys.
Yeah, right. Well, the ride's pretty good. Yesterday I had the tires PSI at 30. And I was like, you know what? Let's try to lower it. So I lowered it down to 12 and it rides so much better.
Yeah, it's pretty smooth out here. I mean, we're not going too fast or anything like that. Obviously, we're trying to be safe. Just I putted around camp when they're out for a ride, take her out for a little bit, keep her occupied. It works perfect. I'm so glad we made the decision to bring it out and obviously give it
an upgrade.
give it a lift with some bigger tires. Definitely, not a beat up. I mean, it looks like a beat up golf cart, but
It's starting to look a little bit better.
Yeah, the bones are good. The bones are good.
Good thing I originally I ordered a 28-inch tires, and I returned it and got the 23.
Yeah.
So that was good because the 28, I think the profile was a little too low.
Dogs are loving it too.
Yeah.
Lexi. Yeah. Yeah, dogs are loving it.
It's nice out here, huh, guys?
Yeah, but I mean that does it for the the upgrade to the golf cart, lift and tires. We'll see you guys back out here next weekend at camp.
See you guys. Bye.
Bye. Hi guys.
Hey kid,